In this guide, I'll show you how to fix mic echo on your Xbox Series S or X. So from the home screen, press the X button on your controller, and we're going to scroll down and select Audio and Music. Now for your headset volume, you want it to be loud enough that you can hear the game, but not too loud where the feedback is going to be picked up on your microphone. So try turning it down a little bit if it's high, and you also want to turn mic monitoring down all the way. So now we're going to go back and navigate over to Parties. And if you're in an Xbox party, under the Options tab is where you'll have the option to turn on noise suppression to help remove any background noise. And ensure your microphone is about 1 to 2 inches away from your mouth and not far away, as that will pick up background noise. And for specific games, there's a microphone threshold option, which you want to increase to where it's not picking up background noise and only your voice. Now what we're going to do is go to Settings, and from General, scroll over, and we're going to select Volume and Audio Output. Now we're going to go to Advanced Options, and where it says Mute Speaker Audio when headset is attached, you want this to be turned on so your mic isn't picking up TV audio. Now for Party Chat output, you want to change this to headset, and for the volume chat mixer, leave this on Do Nothing, or reduce the volume of other sounds by 50%. Then you want to go back to Settings, and from Settings, scroll down to Devices and Connections, and we're going to go to Controllers and Headsets. Then select the 3 dots, which is More Options, and you want to ensure your Xbox wireless controller is up to date with the latest firmware version, and this will help improve performance of your controller and headset. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.